Welcome everybody to another Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you with a really fun, desserty beer for today. This is actually a collaboration with the Toronto-based Junction neighborhood brewery Henderson's, as well as the Society of Beer Drinking Ladies. We've done a couple Beer of the Weeks with both of these breweries before. Absolutely phenomenal selection all around, so we're super excited for this particular collaboration. Also, who doesn't love a great porter? And not to mention, this wonderful dark ale is also really fun to add some of those fun desserty flavors and really make a fun dessert beer out of this. So I'm super excited to give this a try. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough porter. If you don't like chocolate, if you don't like cookies, get out of here. This is not the beer of the week for you. So let's crack her open and give her a try. We're about to see this beautiful, I'm just so excited for this color. Oh my goodness. It's like beautiful crude oil. What? If that's your thing. All right, I can already smell it from here. Holy moly. Oh, those wonderful sugary, lovely, desserty, cookie smells are already wafting through my nose. I cannot be more excited. Here we go. Wow, that is super rich, super fantastic. It's a wonderful, really sugary, flavorful, doughy porter. It's really awesome. Now again, if you're not really into the more experimental stuff, you like your traditional beer, okay, maybe this isn't for you. We talk about this a lot. But here, the Rolling Hops team, we really do like experimenting, doing interesting stuff. So the wonderful added vanilla flavor to this. I believe there's cacao nibs in this as well. You can really kind of taste those chocolatey flavors, as well as the vanilla is really quite present. This is absolutely phenomenal. It really is a wonderful beer, sort of to end like a big meal with, if you want to substitute a piece of cake or a piece of pie with maybe a desserty beer. This would be an awesome substitute. Something I like to do. Hey, maybe it's something you should give a go as well. Forget the cake, just have a porter, am I right? Henderson's, Society of Beer Drinking Ladies, wonderful breweries in our fair city of Toronto. You gotta check them out if you have not. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Be sure to stay tuned for next week's episode where we showcase another beer, maybe from Toronto, maybe from elsewhere. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, craft beer is here.